Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin now. Lie flat with hands under your hips to protect the low back, legs extended and toes pointed. Once set, lift both heels about 1-2 inches off the floor. This reduces strain and builds endurance safely. Start small with 0.5 1-inch quick kicks, alternating legs in a steady rhythm. Keep your core engaged. Think of pulling your navel toward your spine to support your pelvis. Make sure to breathe evenly. Inhale through the nose. Exhale as each leg drives down. Once you're moving, focus on tempo and control. Adopt a 2x2 rhythm. 2 counts as one leg kicks down, 2 counts to return, so you keep tension without flailing. You want a small range, roughly 1 to 2 inches, because larger arcs often shift strain to the low back. Make sure the pelvis remains neutral and that you press your lower back gently to the mat using your core. This preserves spinal alignment. If form breaks, slow the motion and shorten the range until stability returns. To finish, transition into a controlled hollow hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Legs slightly off the ground, shoulders lifted, core braced. This cements the gains. Once done, roll your head to one side and rest. If your neck or lower back feels sore during the set, pause and place a small towel under the head or move hands further under the hips to reduce leverage. If you need more challenge, increase reps or add half-inch range increments while preserving form and steady breathing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.